Hi, we are going to discuss how to find the mod function using scientific calculator. Find the mod of 1975 mod 2424 by using scientific calculator. What you have to do is, the first step is we have to divide 1975 by 24. So 1975 divided by 24 gives our answer as 82.291666667, right? Clear? Now what you have to do is, in this number, that is this answer, we have to subtract the magnitude part as the real part. So answer minus 82 will give, so minus 82. So what you are getting? 0.2916667, right? Now what you do is, we have to multiply the answer by your mod value 24. So what you get? Into 24 gives 7. So this is our answer. We will check out one more problem. Find the modulus of 2089 mod 39. So first divide 2089 divided by 39. Okay, 2089 divided by 39, we get answer. Okay, something. So now what you do? This is the first step. That is, we are getting 53.56410256. The second step is answer minus the real part. So answer minus 53, that gives 56.56410256. Answer minus, so answer minus 53. Okay. Then the last step is, we have to multiply this answer into the mod value. Okay, into the mod value will give you the answer is 22. So this is the way we find the modulus function by using scientific calculator. So thanks for watching. Keep supporting. Thank you.